Okay, so today we're in this is a 4 hour order block. I just wanted to pull up the daily because looking at this, I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, but I mean, shit, maybe we come take these highs before we do it. But I just don't see this ripping straight up, Market is not just gonna fucking do one of these. You know what I mean? So, there has to be a retracement at some point, but CPI news data did come out today. It came out as the forecast, and then year over year was 0.1% down. So it's not going to have that much of an impact. So between CPI and PPI, we should remain bullish based on those news, right? 4-hour chart holding strong in bullish territory. Hourly chart once again looks like no, we never broke structure here. Yeah, still bullish on the hourly. And then the 15-minute, this was CPI news. So I'm always yawning when I try to fucking do these. What a bitch. So we came out and took a lot of these lower time frame liquidity levels. Don't know if we'll want to sweep these levels again with market open. From here, we're about 140 points to these lows and 116 points to these lows. After that, I mean, there aren't even... I could take 5-minute lows if I wanted to. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to be bullish unless market gives us a reason not to be. I will see you guys when we take a trade. We might not take a trade today, though. This, interesting print here, I'm too lazy to turn my webcam on, but I'm currently in this bit short. I got very impatient, and I entered off this 1-minute fair value gap. I was really patient throughout the 5-minute open, and I wanted to get short through this 5-minute fair value gap, but I was worried because we hadn't broken these lows yet that we were going to keep consolidating. And yeah, I got scared that the train was going to leave the station without me, even though I didn't even really want to take a trade today, so I don't know why I'm in this in the first place. Again, trade off this 1-minute fair value gap. Stops were above the wick from this fair value gap in case we came up and filled it, which we did. And we also formed this 5-minute fair value gap here, and we are finally, hopefully, going to respect this and continue lower. The other thing that I was very afraid of was the daily. Because on the daily, yesterday we had CPI news, yesterday we had PPI, today we had CPI. I'm looking at this and I didn't, what was in my head was the big ass move that I missed out on yesterday, so I'm like, oh, I don't want to miss out on the big move, and so I kind of forced this entry, but you can see we're kind of floating around break even right now. If we can break these lows on the 1 minutes, we're chill. If not, I'll probably cut the trade. So I actually wanted to close it before it got to this point, but I haven't closed it yet because we were kind of low volatility here, got into this 1-minute fair value gap, and then we just ripped. So we've tapped back into the 5-minute fair value gap now, and I'm hoping we can continue to make legs down. Oops. That's the idea now. I was up about 1,000, almost pulled it because it's I'm not trading tomorrow. I have a whole family trip thing that I go on, and so I kind of wanted to just secure my profit and then come back on Friday, but it's kind of too late for that now, so we're kind of all in this bitch. If we start to come back down at that point, I'm gonna be greedy. I should have pulled. I really should have, because I saw it tap this 1 hour fair value gap and we aggressively ripped off, but again, I wanted to see it keep moving lower. I got greedy. And then now it's just, if we come back down again, I want to see it break these lows. I don't know. I don't know if I get long again or if I just let this market run without me. What's my entry off of invalidation of the 5-minute? We're in for 2. Fuck it. It paid off yesterday. Why can't it pay off today, right? Oh my god, we're going to take such a big loss. Okay, we need this to run. Oh, why did I jumped in too early, I think. I should have waited for the next pullback. Alright, I pulled our position, 105,430, up, what? It's going to run without me, too. Maybe not. It's good to see it go down after you pull your position, you know? That's always a good feeling. Looking at the 5 minute, though, I didn't really like this. This wasn't strong closure. I don't know. You know, it's like, again, I can't get too greedy. In the back of my mind, yes, this probably does run higher. I've also seen plenty of days where it does, like, okay, big move higher, big move lower, and then it comes back to, like, this equilibrium range, and it's kind of just going to consolidate here for the rest of the day. That wouldn't surprise me either. So it's like there's all these scenarios playing out in the back of my head, how this can play out. I take my profit for the day. We refresh. Wednesday, we're now up. Instead of down 843, we're up 1,271. I have zero complaints about pulling here.